Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix USB device not recognized on mobile step by step. So if your phone is not detecting a USB connection or your USB device is not recognized, this video will help you. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your mobile phone. Now tap on the search box at the top of the Settings page. In the search box, type USB in capital letters. After that, you will see the USB tethering option. Tap on USB tethering. Now a new page will open with different USB connection options. Here, simply turn on the USB tethering option. Once USB tethering is enabled, reconnect your USB cable to the phone. Your mobile device should now recognize the USB connection properly. And that's it. This is how you can fix USB device not recognized on mobile easily. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.